Good stay. Good stay, Ollie. Good job. Good helper. All right. Can you put the pot in? Throw it in. Good job. Good.
Snakes. This is the fourth one we've had to deal with in the garden, and this guy doesn't want to go away. He really likes to live under the mulch. And Mark and I were at our daughter's yesterday. We drove into town. We had to get some work done on a vehicle, and the kids went out to weed the garden. And my son reached down in the bed to pull a weed and jumped back and went, "We will not be weeding this garden. There is a snake curled up under the mulch." And he's been a frequent visitor. So we are going to have to figure out some type of relocation activities for him. Actually, sorry honey, but Mark is going to figure that out, because I will have a heart attack if I come across that thing. And I stood there this morning looking at the garden thinking, I don't even know if I can walk down in there. Ugh, pathetic.